Hi there, in this small lecture we will talk about ad schedule. Let's imagine that it's 3 p.m. and you decided to launch a campaign. So you start preparing everything, the audience, the picture, the videos, etc. And at 6 p.m. you are ready to launch. And let's suppose you decided to begin with a budget of $20 per day. If you say to Facebook to spend $20 per day, then he will spend $20 per day. So if you launch the campaign at 6 p.m., Facebook will have 6 hours to spend these $20. And the next day, he will have 24 hours to spend the entire budget. And this will damage the optimization of your ad. The best thing to do is to start your ad at midnight at 12 p.m. exactly. Because if you don't do this, Facebook will spend your budget quickly in a couple of hours. Now, if you have a super product, it will still make sales whenever you launch your ads. But in order to get better optimization, the best way is to begin at midnight.